Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your password for your PayPal account. If you want to change your password for your PayPal account and keep your account secure from possible threats, then keep watching the video till the end without skipping. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's proceed further. In order to go change your PayPal account's password, go to the URL www.paypal.com and then search. If you're not signed into your account, first make sure you are, and from the home screen of PayPal, go and click on the settings button at the upper right corner, which will open up your account page. Now, in order to go and change your password, go to the Security tab from the top of the screen. Once you open up your Security tab, you'll be able to see a password option at the very top of the screen with an update link at the right corner. Click on the update link, and first you'll need to confirm your current password in order to change your password for your PayPal account. Type in the password you currently use on your PayPal, and you can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon in the right corner, reveal your password, and then move on. By revealing your password, you'll be able to know if you are typing in the correct password or not. Now, on the next field, type in the new password you want to change to. In the last text field you see where it says confirm new password, retype in the password that you just created for your PayPal account. Make sure both of your password and the text fields below matches. After you're done, click on Change Password, and the password for your PayPal account will be changed. That is how you can easily change your password for your PayPal and get full control of your account back again. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.